All right, hey guys, Rob here, scrappydo.com, and in this video we're gonna show you inside Cricut Design Space a pretty neat thing if you guys are into this stuff. This right here are images that are found on the Cricut library. It's under the Spa Days icon, and if you're looking for this stuff, you just type in the word spa, and if you're under the images, you'll see these here. If you click on the little eyeball, you'll see this. You can go ahead and click on that. All right. So, anyways. What I wanted to do inside of Design Space is, this looks great for maybe you're doing vinyl and stuff, but maybe you want to do like a paper piecing, right? So how can you accomplish that with this and not trying to waste paper and stuff? So let's go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So we took this this little mug here and decided to just simply colorize it, almost like a coloring book type of file. You got the orange, you got the plate, and then you got the cup and the handle and everything. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the same sort of thing here with this. Again, I'm not a person that goes to a spa, so that looks like a money bag because spas cost money, and pretty sure you got to have a money bag in order to go there, right? So, anyways, let's go ahead and try to colorize this right here. Okay, so with the item selected, obviously you want to size it to the right size first. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two is we're going to need to copy this to our clipboard and paste it. So we can either go right here, click copy, and then we're going to go ahead and paste. Okay, so now we have two exact same sizes, and I'm just going to pick one. It doesn't matter which one I pick. I just need to pick one, and I need to make it like a blackout, right? I want all of the insides to go away. I just want to have a solid piece, solid background. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the contour. That's down here in the bottom right. Click on it. And if we see this button right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Hide All Contours. And that's going to give me exactly what I need. I'm going to go ahead and click on the exit. I don't need anything else. So with both of these selected, I'm going to select both. And then I'm going to go ahead and align them. I need them right on top of each other, exactly in the same position. Otherwise, this stuff will not work. So I click on the Align, and I go to Center. Beautiful. They're both centered. Next, with them both selected, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Slice button. All right. Slice is going to make this like a little, like I'm shoving some, like an apple through a wedge here. So anyways, I'm going to come up with several pieces here. And the two pieces that I care about is, one of this one, like the line art. And then the other piece I want is this piece right here, because it makes it super easy. So I'm going to go ahead and delete one of these. I no longer need it. And for the next part here, we need to decide how many colors we need. That's going to determine how many times we need to copy this puppy right here. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose two colors for this. So I'm going to have two versions of this. So I'm going to go up here to the edit, go to copy, and then go up to paste. All right, so we're almost done here. I'm going to select everything here. Well, before I do that, let me adjust this here real quick. I need this to be one of those blackout pieces again. Okay, so I'm going to select it, and just like we did before, I'm going to click on Hide All Contour, and now that is blacked out. Okay, now let's go ahead and choose some of our colors here. So for the majority of the purse here, or money bag, it's going to be purple, and I want to have brown for the rings that are on top there holding all the money together. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose those colors right now. So with the color selector here, I can go ahead and choose purple, and then for this over here, I'm going to choose the brown. So there we go. All right, let's go ahead and stack these up. Select all of them, go to Align, go to Center. There they all are. So the first layer here is the purple, so let's go ahead and select it. And now it's time to contour. Okay, so contour. And I'm going to go ahead and select all those pieces there. I'm just removing those rings, whatever's holding the money bag together, and then that's it. Boom. There we go. Now you can sort of see that the rings are nicely showing through. That's fine, but if we were to hide this layer, hey, this part here is still there. So we need to get rid of the brown bag, right? So again, with it selected, go to Contour, and let's just remove the bag, and that's it. All right. Oh, I accidentally clicked on something else there. So let me go ahead and redo this here. select the bag, and then click on the X there. All right, so there you can see that we have a nice money bag, and we did this all with the coloring art or the Spa Day collection there from Cricut Design Space. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the lesson and everything. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. All right, take care.